Hello, welcome to Texas Jane Chronicles. I'll be your guide as we discover the wonders of Cleburne State Park. If fishing, hiking, birdwatching, one of my favorites, or camping are some of your preferred activities, you are in the right place. Cleburne State Park is just 6 miles outside of the city of Cleburne, where cattle were driven along the Chisholm Trail. It was a Confederate outpost during the Civil War and a prisoner of war camp for German soldiers during World War II. It has quite a history. Cedar Lake has a designated swimming area, but careful, there are no lifeguards. Boat rentals can be found at the beach area, which is also the swimming area. They only take credit card payments. The park has a playground with slides, swings, and mini cars. One of the highlights of this park is the spillway. Its three-tier design was built by the Civilian Conservation Corps between 1936 and 1940. The hike to the site is easy and very scenic. The water that feeds the lake is spring-fed. The CCC also built Creek Camp Bridge, which is a great viewing area for wildlife. I know which side I'm going to choose the next time I visit Cleburne State Park. Don't wait to make your reservation to ensure you get your ideal camping site or shelter. Shelters accommodate 6 people. There is a picnic table, water, electricity, and a fire ring per unit. Restrooms are located near the sites. Sadly, pets are not allowed in the shelters. Check-in is 2 p.m. for all campsites and shelters. Checkout time is 12 p.m. for camping sites and 11 a.m. for shelters. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me at Cleburne State Park, a real Texas gem. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next adventure in the Texas Jane Chronicles. Let me know in the comments section if you have a Texas state park you want to learn more about, or just tell me about your favorite park. See you next time!